Today, we are going to completely dismantle the myth that you can't build wealth on a modest salary.
You know, this whole explainer was inspired by a real comment from someone who totally changed their life.
Their success wasn't luck. It was just making different decisions with the income they already had.
So, is $1 million really on the table with a 40K salary? A lot of people say no. Let's prove them wrong.
Okay, first things first. We have to challenge the biggest myth out there.
Believe it or not, data shows the link between high income and big wealth is, well, it's pretty weak. Being able to live on less isn't a weakness. Actually, it's your secret weapon, your financial advantage. And you don't have to track every single penny. It really just comes down to two major decisions.
Yep, it's housing and transportation. That's where all your real financial power is hiding.
But let's zoom in on transportation, because the math here is honestly kind of shocking.
We're talking about a $600 a month difference. That's it, just by choosing a modest used car.
Now, what happens if you invest that $600 a month for 30 years?
Yeah, over $1 million. That's the power of one single decision about your car.
Okay, let's run a quick simulation. Two people, same exact 40K salary.
The only difference, person B made those smarter housing and transportation choices we just talked about.
Now look at this. The key thing here isn't just the money, it's the time. See, when person B hits $1 million,
6 years. The difference isn't just dollars. It's 6 full years of your life you get back. This brings us to my favorite part, the crossover point. It's when your money starts working harder than you do.
For our saver at 15%, this magic moment happens in year 23. That's when the market pays you more than your job does.
See that? Your money just became your most productive employee. And it only gets faster from here.
And remember, the money is there. Things like subscriptions and eating out are necessities in disguise.
So, let's make this real. Here's how you can actually start turning this knowledge into action. Today.
Your income is just a number. Your savings rate, that's a choice. And the math is totally on your side.